Turn her around, go the other way, hon.
I saw you walk like there's a barn.
No. Turn her around, go the other way. Go that way. That's it. Now squeeze her. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. That's it. Shorten your reins. That's a girl. Turn her and squeeze. Good girl. Squeeze. Good girl. Good. Make her trot again. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. That's a girl. Nice trotting, Kylie.
There you go.
Don't let her quit. Uh-oh. She tricked you. Go the other way. Don't let her stop at the gate because that's a dirty habit.
Look at Terry.
Oh yeah, muddy girl. See if you can keep her going past the gate this time. Keep her going now. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Get bugging her with your legs. Good girl. That was nice. And make her whoa. Sit down with your bum. Oh, stop in the middle. Very nice, Kylie. Good riding. Kylie and Riley. You like her? Yeah, that's a pretty big smile. Let me see how you're smiling. Oh yeah, you're happy. Good job, babe.